Pi network, or Pi, has caught the attention of cryptocurrency investors even before the coin becomes available for trading. Some users view it as a way to get involved in the cryptocurrency from the ground up and profit in the future, in the same way that some of early Bitcoin BTC adopters have racked up gains from mining and holding the coin. However, others have linked Pi crypto to a multi-level marketing MLM scam that holds no value. Who's right? Well, it's a question of belief, so we won't comment. Today we'll be discussing some updates about the Pi network, so be with us till the end to know everything about it. But before we begin and go further, a quick intro about the Pi for the users who don't know much about it. So, Pi Network is a digital currency project that aims to keep cryptocurrency mining accessible, as the centralization of first-generation currencies like Bitcoin has put them beyond the reach of everyday users. The Pi network, developed by a team of Stanford graduates, enables users to mine coins using their mobile phone apps, validating transactions on a distributed record. Unlike the nodes on networks such as Bitcoin that use proof of work or POW protocols, Pi nodes use an algorithm based on the Stellar Consensus Protocol. That's SCP. In fact, Pi nodes validate transactions on a distributed ledger and reach a consensus on the order of new transactions that the ledger records. Under SCP, Pi nodes form security circles or groups of 3 to 5 trusted people known to each of the network's users. Security circles build a global trust network that prevents fraudulent transactions, as transactions can only be validated on the shared ledger if the trusted nodes approve them. With branding based on the number Pi, Phase 1 of the project launched in 2019 on Pi Day, 14th March, with a free Pi mining app. By June 2019, the network had more than 100,000 active users. A year later, when Phase 2 launched, there were more than 3.5 million users. Now there are more than 25 million users. Then the app started running ads in May 2020 to provide a source of financing for the project. According to the Pi roadmap, they plan to introduce a Know Your Customer KYC solution, expanded developer resources, more apps, and community content along with the Mainnet launch. Let's see how the Pi coin value will change when it starts to trade. We will take into account the Pi coin price prediction from multiple sources. Therefore, it's very rare that a cryptocurrency completes the mainnet before listing on the exchange. Most cryptocurrencies aim to be listed first, so they end up with a scam or have very low prices. Pi network team also introduced the Pi brainstorming app in December 2020 to allow users to join projects, purpose app ideas, and to engage with other users. Many Pi users are accumulating the Pi coin, and it's been anticipated that the value of the Pi coin will increase after the launch of Phase 3. Some cryptocurrency lovers have already started to make Pi coin price predictions. When the Pi currency value increases, it'll bring good news to miners on the Pi utility platform. However, despite numerous criticisms, Pi network has been concentrating solely on mainnet development for over 2 years. Many people have asked when the Pi will be listed, but Pi thought about technology development and ecosystem building first. As a result, Mainnet is now on the verge of completion and has over 18 million users. If the mainnet is completed before entering the market, there's a high probability that a very high price will be formed for the Pi coin. We must have patience. Pi is in the development process. It is constructing its digital infrastructure. It'll take time for them to share their progress in the Pi application. Lots of people comment that the progress of Pi is very slow. If we compare Bitcoin evolution with Pi, Bitcoin was established in 2009 and its trading started in 2010. Bitcoin constructed most of its digital infrastructure like blockchain before launching it. Pi is doing everything in parallel. Pi announced that their non-custodial wallet is ready and its testing is going on. They said that they will make the mainnet ready by the end of this year, so if everything goes right, according to the expectations of the core team, we hope Pi can be traded by mid of 2022. We, along with more than 25 million people in the network, are waiting for the mainnet to be ready. We are hopeful that they will complete it in time. This is time to mine, as we will not be able to mine in our mobiles as soon as Pi enters the market. so we take this time as golden opportunity to mine. But one thing that's important is that if the time for launch goes far, more and more PyCons will be available in the market and the price of Pi can even go lesser. However, due to supply and demand, let us hope it will be monetized soon. If you are thinking of buying Pi cryptocurrency and store it in your Pi wallet, it's worth noting for now, that means it's not possible for developers who mined Pi cryptocurrency will only get an opportunity to exchange or withdraw their Pi crypto. Once Phase 3 launches, holders will be able to take full control of their private and public wallet keys and use the coin to buy products and services on Pi's peer-to-peer marketplace or exchange it for a fiat currency. Without the keys, users cannot transfer or spend the currency they hold. The Pi mining app acts as a cryptocurrency wallet, linked to a user's mobile phone number or Facebook account. As with other public blockchains, the Pi blockchain will allow external wallets to hold Pi coins and submit transactions directly to the blockchain. However, unlike other blockchains, its developers have not yet released its source code. Early adopters are accumulating Pi crypto in anticipation that the price will rise sharply after Phase 3 goes live. Although the coin's mining rate has been reduced by halving, users can increase their mining rate by connecting with other active miners. New users can only join the Pi network if they have a referral code from another user. New users can only join the Pi network if they have a referral code from another user. The project's developers claim that security on Pi network is enhanced by personal networks, encouraging users to bring in friends and family, which is prompting skepticism that it could be a multi-level marketing or pyramid scheme. However, it's worth noting that users can only earn coins from their own direct networks and not from their connection networks. As with an MLM scheme, some cryptocurrency observers have already started to make their Pi network value prediction. Let's take a look at what the Pi price could likely be when it does start trading. Depending on the number of cryptocurrencies, users, and exchanges that adopt Pi, the bull case could see the coin's price launch at $1 and reach $10 a year later. According to crypto exchange, challengingly, over the longer term the price could see a rise to $100 in 5 years' time. Although it's important to keep in mind that cryptocurrency markets remain extremely volatile, making it difficult to accurately predict what a coin's price will be in a few hours, and even harder to give long-term estimates. As such, analysts can and do get their predictions wrong. We recommend that you always do your own research and consider the latest market trends, news, technical and fundamental analysis, and expert opinion before making any investment decision. And never invest more than you can afford to lose. That's it for the day, guys. What do you think about it? Is the Pi network really gonna work out? Let us know in the comments below. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe if you want to support our efforts. And don't forget to press the bell icon. See you in the next. Until then, peace out.